The Crunchlab Build Box Disk Launcher by Mark Rober. It says some words in the sides of the box. Let's read it. It says, think like an engineer. Build, test, solve, play, and it's here. Now let's open the box. Here it is. Now we need a scanning device to scan this QR code and look at how it works, or it will come as instructions. It also includes paper instructions for the disk launcher, some motors and a battery pack, and some disk and a wheel. It also includes rubber bands, nuts and bolts, and some wooden pieces. Now let's start building. Here is a plastic holder. Now let's open the other bags. This comes with this battery pack, a screwdriver, some stickers, and a motor. Now let's open the other bag. It comes with a wheel and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 discs. And time for the last bag. We have a bolt, a cardboard piece, a big rubber band, another rubber band, a small rubber band, a screw, another screw, and another screw, and another screw, and another rubber band, these old holders, and these plastic pieces, and another bolt, and some more screws. Now let's start assembling it. Okay, so first we need to unscrew this screw and open the battery pack. Let's open and see. Look guys, it uses 2 AA batteries and it's very big. Now let's close it. Now we have to remove the plastic flap. Now let's start. First we need to untape the motors and take the wires. And now we have to take one of these foam stickers and poke a hole in it. And then we have to stick it. Now we have to stick this into place. Look guys, I have stick the motor into the wooden board. Now we have to screw the motor into place. Okay. Now for the next screw. Now we have to get this disc and wrap the largest rubber band in the set. Guys, now I will tell you why we need a rubber band around this disc. Because we need this rubber band to make friction between the disc and the wheel, so the disc will shoot because of force. Now let's fix the wheel. And now it should look something like this. Now we have to put this long red cylinder into the motor. Because of the foam sticker, the cylinder will be stuck into place. Now for the next step, we need to take our battery box and then take another sticker, take it out, make a hole in it, and put the sticker like this with the on-off switch. Next, you have to peel off the white paper. Now, we have to stick the battery box in place with this hole for the on-off switch. And then, we have to connect the wires. Guys, we have to connect the red wire with the red wire and the black wire with the black wire. Now, we'll test if the disc is spinning. See guys, the disc is spinning and it also gives a bit of air. Now, we have to stick this banana-shaped foam sticker onto this outlining here. See guys, like this. Now we have to put these two pieces like this. We need to make sure it will be tight with these two bolts. We have to screw it nice and tightly. Now we have to make the rubber band small, and we have to try to put this into this hole and wrap it around this. Now I have connected the rubber band with the disc transporter. Look how it works. We have to push like this and it releases. The next step is to put these two wooden pieces on these holes like this. Then after that, we have to turn it around and then secure it with these O rubber bands. Look guys, now I have secured these wooden pieces with these O holders, these white parts here. Next, we have to take this glue disc and carefully put this here. And then we need to take our middle rubber band and wrap it around in these pieces, like in these holes. Now I have connected the rubber band and the cylinder. Look guys, now I have secured the plastic pieces into the rubber bands. And now it should look something like this. Look guys, now I think it's ready. Let's test it. Now let's test it. We have to switch it on and pull the trigger. Oh! Whoa! Now I can put my Crunchlab build box gear badge. We have to put the gear like this, and then we have to put the pin through this hole. Now it will look something like this. If you want to store it in a shelf or a table, you can put this in this holder and display it. Did you all like this video? Please subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you next month with a new gadget. Thank you. Goodbye.